Now this year we get 10 buck tags, an extra week of deer season, and they're gonna pay us $75 a head. Man, I love being in this CWD zone. And the warden's office dropped off 100 pounds of deer corn for each of our deer stands. Now that's what I'm talking about. The only rule is we gotta take them deer to get checked in on opening weekend. Oh yeah, that place is an hour away. Exactly, so we're gonna wait until Monday to check them in. Man, this is gonna be a good year. Now, as the landowner, I'm allowed to give these tags to anybody I want.